In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix DLL files missing in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, missing DLL errors are rarely missing files. They're typically security locks triggered by new AI-driven smart screen or corrupted Visual C++ redistributable links. So about 80% of missing DLLs belong to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So many apps fail to install these correctly. What you want to do is go over to Microsoft's official support page, which looks like this, and download both the x64 and x86 versions for Visual Studio's 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Install both, even if you're on a 64-bit machine, then restart your computer, and this is going to fix most of the issues that you're having, if not all of them. And if the DLL is a core Windows component, you need to force Windows to verify its own blueprint and replace the missing piece from the cloud. So what we want to go ahead and do is close this. We want to right click the Windows icon and then open up terminal but as admin. Then press yes when the prompt comes up. And then all you want to do is type in this command right here. This downloads a fresh system image for Microsoft to use as a repair source. And then once that is finished and you've gone ahead and done it, so I'm going to close it again. And then what you want to do is when you open up terminal again, you want to go ahead and use this one right here. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.